Yo, what the?
No.
Yo!
No, definitely
What's going on here, bro? Take this off.
No girl will ever
Yeah.
respond to that in a good way.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have a special guest with me. Her name is
Nirvana.
And today we're going to be reviewing your Instagram pages. So let's see how this goes. So this is the first account that we have here. I'm not going to show any of the names just because of privacy, but we're going to analyze the page and show the pictures and all that. So Nirvana, what are your thoughts on this guy?
So I think the profile looks kind of clean. He has obviously way more followers than following. That's like a good sign. Shows a little bit of a
social proof?
Yeah, very. That he's not a follower. Like, you know some people in real life who just like go towards people but nobody go towards them. It probably like seem like they won't have enough to offer. I think the pictures look pretty good. I'm not really feeling this photo right here. Or this one. This one kind of looks like it was taken back like a long time ago.
My friend, she was very nice. I'm gonna give you not the real review. I'm just gonna give you my opinion on this. So first of all, this bio, you need to change it. So the purpose of your bio is to give a short description of who you are and what you do. So all these quotes, where you go is where you end up, all that stuff, like we don't need that. What is this? I don't know what this is. Smokykins? I don't know what that is. Remodel your bio. Let's say for example you're a crypto trader. You could put world-class crypto trader, something like that. Something that makes you seem more intriguing or interesting. Then this, I don't know if this is Korean, but bro,
it looks great.
Take it off, take it off. And another thing is, when you're building your bio, you can put an emoji and the description beside it to make it more animated and interesting. So your profile picture should be your face. People should be able to know who you are when they get your DM. This is a rapper and it's not you, so please get that done. Now for the pictures, I spoke about this in my last YouTube video where I said that certain people have fillers in their feed where they have like their pictures and maybe they have like plants in between, like different posts, like a collage kind of. You're going to get less engagement when you do things like that, because people don't really care about random quotes. You want your page to represent who you are, so you just want it to be you. If you have any pictures, maybe landscapes or videos of fun stuff you've done, you want to put that in your highlights. You don't want to have any of it in your feed like this.
Why wouldn't you want to have like fun stuff that you do?
Because it's distracting. You want your feed to be mainly about you, and then if anyone wants to see your art or your hobbies or travel, like videos, landscapes, things that don't have you in it, then you can put that in the highlight so that people can see that.
Okay.
You don't want to have random pictures and videos of the land without you in it. Alright, so let's look at your tagged section. So let's see what this post says. Looking good. Dreams I love. Okay bro, untag yourself from this. I don't know, it doesn't give you the best look, I would say, in my opinion. So change your profile picture, work on your bio, take off these quotes that you have. You can archive them or delete them. And also I would say take more pictures. Go out for a photo shoot with your friends or with a professional photographer.
I think this photo is the best. This one right here.
Yeah.
Just from because it's a really nice photo. Just like it just looks really clear. The background looks kind of mysterious to me. It looks nice. It's a nice background. Like, cause I can't really tell. Like, I can't really see. It's kind of like blurry, but it still looks interesting. And then just like the picture looks nice.
When you're having a photo shoot, make sure you have good backgrounds to make the picture seem more interesting. It makes people imagine, especially. No, let me not say that.
What?
It makes people think. So if you have pictures of yourself behind a mountain, it's like, oh, well, where is that? I would love to be there with him. That seems interesting. He travels, that kind of thing. So,
I just like the color of it, because it's like, I'm not just like compared to the other photos, because this one is just like, it looks like it's inside and it's like in a kitchen, nothing going on. Yeah. But this one, I just like the color of it, like just like the white in the background versus like the black t-shirt. And then like his stance is good, right? So this, you should have more photos like this one.
All right. That's
just my opinion.
So if this guy DM'd you, would you respond?
If he had more photos like that one.
Alright. Alright, I'll take that. Give me your thoughts on this guy, and I'll talk about it when you're done.
Okay, I'm just looking at all these right now. I didn't even look at these beforehand, so let's see.
First of all, would you respond to this guy's DM?
I don't think so.
Okay, alright.
He's an attractive guy, but I wouldn't respond to the DM just because of how he takes the pictures. I don't know much about him just from his pictures. From a female perspective, it's not just about looks, obviously. Like, we'd like to see, what is this guy about, you know?
Yeah. Your profile picture is pretty good. Everyone's into this AI thing right now.
I like that.
I guess that's fine. This is a good profile picture. The only thing I would say is it's not an accurate representation of what you actually look like, because it's AI and edited and like super edited. So preferably you want to have a similar picture like this, but just real, you know. But this is good to go for now. You're following 856 people and 300 people are following you. Change that. You don't need to be following 800 people. If you really think about it, you realize that following a bunch of people is really pointless. You should only follow people who inspire you and who add value to your life. And then again, I'll say you can follow some friends, you know, but that friend from high school who hasn't posted in 5 years, unfollow him or her, whatever it is. Then also get your followers up.
How does he get his
So there are multiple ways of doing this. There's the organic way, there's the paid way. With organic, let me say you can post new content that gets engagement from people, depending on what you do. So from your profile, I can see that you're a developer. Look for other developers who have big followings and see the type of content that they post and just copy them. Another way would be to pay for promotions. So you can pay Instagram to promote a post of yours and that can give you more followers. Or you can also pay for giveaways. You can do giveaways. With giveaways, there are two types. There's the one where you do it yourself. Let's say, for example, I get some AirPods and I'm like, I'm gonna give it away, follow me, subscribe to my page. But then again, there's some pages where you can join a giveaway that celebrities promoting. So for example, this company pays Drake to promote this giveaway, right? They're giving out cars, different things, and then you have to contribute to the giveaway, the prizes. And then your name gets added to the list of people that others have to follow. That's another way. And the last way, obviously, is buying followers. Now, with buying followers, people like to...
Just don't do that. I would just...
No,
why
wait.
would you do that?
No, wait. With buying followers, there's a stigma against it, but in all honesty, your favorite celebrity, your favorite rapper, and I'm saying this because I've seen this firsthand, has done it before. They might not do it all the time, but maybe to start off, they did at one point or the other. So don't demonize that, but those are the different options you have. You definitely want to get your followers up. At least unfollow 700 people.
700?
This is terrible. You don't need to follow 800 people. So you have your Twitter here, you have your phone number.
Take away the phone number.
No, right. So I've seen people put phone numbers on their bios, but they're like for business, then they put the phone number. But the thing is, from their page, you know what they're doing. So your page says digital creator and it says dev. Which one is it? You want to be more descriptive with this phone number. If you want to keep it on there, she says take it off. You want to take off your Twitter. What you want to do is, if you have any external links like your website, your Twitter page, your TikTok, you want to put everything in a link tree and then put the link at the bottom of your bio, just like mine. You don't want to have all these extra stuff. I would say look at other developers and see what their bios look like. Maybe world-class developer? I don't know. Just make yourself up.
What kind of developer? You know,
exactly.
Be specific.
Exactly. Yeah, another thing I forgot to say was your username. You want to avoid underscores and numbers as much as possible when it comes to usernames, because it's harder for people to remember it, and humans like the path of least resistance. So if I go to a party and this chick asks my Instagram and I'm like, wings and whips _+1 minus WhatsApp, like what? Like,
should be less likely.
That's crazy. Yeah, exactly. She's not gonna follow you in the first place. She's not gonna think about that. That's too much. So if you look at mine is just Daniel Are. I do have 3 L's because 2 L's and 1 L is taken, but it's easier for people to remember that.
I feel like the underscore is not that bad though.
Especially if you're trying to build a brand. You want to get rid of the underscore. You want to have a memorable username.
This photo is nice. I like it.
Yeah.
This one's a video though.
Yeah, bro. Please take the down. Take this down. Take this down. Anything that doesn't have you in it or makes you look bad, maybe the quality is bad, just take it off, bro. A lot of these, take them down. These posters, the code, please take it down. I've heard from a few females that they don't really like coders like that. I don't know, like
coders,
like developers, like. Because it's kind of it's kind of nerdy. I think, especially on social media. No, especially on social media, like putting code up there and everything. You want to make it cool at least. You want to make it look cool at least. Yeah. But just putting code up here, like, bro, no one understands what this is. Like, you want to have a photo shoot with a friend or a professional photographer. Take pictures in 3 to 5 outfits in nice environments. Take those pictures, make sure they're high quality, and put them on your feed. You want to take off everything that makes you look bad.
But like, when also reviewing these, don't you have to like consider like what is their purpose for wanting social media? Like, what is he looking for from this? Like,
yeah, that's true.
Kind of like.
So if we look at this, if we go with him trying to use this to get chicks, this is not going to get any chicks, right?
Are there really like guys who have social media to get chicks?
No.
Really, nigga?
If he's trying to use this page to get jobs, he's not going to get a job with this, because look at this. It's just super random. Salon and spa. What?
Maybe he's promoting somebody.
Whichever path you decide to go on, it's not going to work for him. So he needs to change it. If you're trying to use this to get chicks, then optimize your page for that. Do fun stuff, put them in your highlights, post them. And if you're trying to use it to get jobs, then create content about coding, but make it look cool and interesting. But like posting a screenshot of code doesn't look nice. Now your highlights, let's see what's in here. Okay, so no, delete that and delete that. All right. So, so for your highlights, you want to have at least 5, not more than 5, because 5 fills up your screen and people don't usually scroll to see what you have. So probably maybe if you work out, maybe fitness, lifestyle, like for the fun stuff you do, maybe bowling, skating, singing, whatever you do. Coding could be another highlight where you can show coding in a cool way, or maybe travel. But highlights and a black heart, it means nothing, so take it off, please. Let's see your tag section. Okay, I'm guessing these are some of your friends and yourself. I guess that's a bit fine. The thing is, a lot of people get tagged in like vulgar and they don't know, like weird stuff and they don't know, so your tag section looks fine. All right, so that's it. All right, so this is the next profile. So Nirvana, give me your thoughts.
Okay. Let me analyze this like you would. Okay.
No, I need your. First of all, would you respond to his DM?
Let's look at the photos. Okay. Nope. Because I don't know what is he doing with his face. That's what all I'm saying. I'm sorry. I love the outfit, super fit, but hate the expression on the face. And this video, we didn't turn on the. Can you turn on the audio?
I don't think it has audio. No, it doesn't. Yeah.
Okay, it looks kind of weird. Can't really find a picture where I could see the face very clearly. This one kind of shows a goofy side. I'm not hating it, but not really liking it at the same time. And profile picture, it doesn't really captivate me. It's not interesting. So no, I would not respond to this DM.
So first of all, change your profile picture. It's as simple as standing in front of a nice background and taking a picture of your face, taking a selfie. We just need to see your face clearly, not in your bedroom. I like your username. It doesn't have any underscores or numbers in there, so that's good. It's memorable. Now your bio looks good. I film and make jokes. Co-host of So podcast. Location Lagos. That's good. Linktree, good. Your highlights, Snapchat.
Should you put your location though?
So it's a very broad location. There's no harm there. You know, it's a whole state. It's like DC.
Yeah.
You're not gonna track me. Put your Snapchat link in your link tree. Take it off from here. Then this art, Lagos, Nigeria. What do you think about this?
Can't really tell what's going on.
It's
not really.
It's supposed to be art.
It's supposed to be art. I don't see the art, honestly.
All right.
I don't see the art.
You've heard it. So take this down. I think the other pictures. I mean, art is subjective, but I think. This could say, I guess, but
yeah, art is very subjective, but like I don't get it.
Yeah, so take this off. So with your art highlight, you want to add more pictures. I know you've probably taken more pictures of Lagos. Put them on there. Remove your Snapchat and put it in your link tree, and then put all the highlights behind the scenes of maybe your podcast or working out, basketball, whatever you do. You want to put it there. For your profile, you want it to obviously be about you, and you want your page to make you look good, not goofy. If you're a comedian, sure, but still there's a difference between being funny and being a clown. First of all, I'm guessing that this is your sister, but this is like a low. You're not in the picture, bro, so just take it down. The caption says love, like, bro, we don't know what's going on here. This looks weird as hell. Please take it down. Are you attracted? Okay, take it down.
I mean, yeah, just it looks like a weird video.
Alright. Please take pictures with your face in it. This doesn't look cool. Looks strange. Please take it off. With your captions, guys, you want to try and tell stories with your captions. You want to make them a bit more interesting. Let's say this is a picture in Lagos, right? And let's say this was your first time in Lagos. You could probably tell a story about how you've always wanted to come to Lagos for work. You've dreamed about it and you're finally here. That kind of thing. It gives people a better look into your life and it makes you more interesting. but just saying what's next, it doesn't mean anything. Take it off.
I feel like a lot of times when people put stuff on social media, they expect people to just get it or understand their perspective really quick, but I feel like you have to understand that like this is public for everyone to see. So just keep that in mind and just see like, oh, this person doesn't know me. They'll look at this and what will they think, you know? With this photo, why aren't you showing your face? And maybe have like a good background. You had a nice fit right here. You should have a nice fit here too. Maybe like a better pose or something like that. Actually, that's not a bad pose, but just more zoomed out would be good. With the good fit and like showing your face. The hat doesn't match if you're wearing a good fit. There's that.
Yeah, so number 1, change your profile picture. Number 2, put the Snapchat into your link tree and add more highlights. Archive all these pictures, bro. Maybe, I don't know if, what do you think about this? It's a bit goofy.
It's not bad. It's goofy. I like it.
Alright, so you can keep this, but take all the off. Let's look at the reels. This one, take the off. Let's see what's here. Attractive?
My opinion is subjective.
Oh, did you see that?
What?
Yo, what the?
No.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yo!
No, definitely.
What's going on here, bro? Take this off.
No girl will ever
Yeah.
respond to that in a good way.
Yeah, bro. And in your tag section, I can see some friends. This doesn't look...
Okay, so the tag section, all these photos look good. I'm just wondering, why can't those same photo quality be here?